I don't know about you guys, but I think that is an ugly color on that Corvette. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I was just up the road there in Nokesville, Virginia, and caught the 51 Cardinal, and then now I'm down here in Bristow, and the Amtrak 20 Crescent should be coming by here any minute, so let's turn this camera around and take a look at it. Well, I just got word that the Norfolk Southern First Responders train is running around here, so we're going to see if we can go find that, and I think that's going to do it on the Amtraks. And on that note, I got to rush. Traveler saying, see you by the rails.